Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn polynomials of class. We will learn chapter 2 polynomials of class 10th maths. So polynomial is nothing. It is of three types: linear, quadratic, and cubic. Linear polynomial is a polynomial with one degree. I can give you example. Ax plus b is equals to ax plus b is equals to 0. So 5x plus 3 is the example. Quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial is polynomial with 2 degree. Example is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. 5x square plus 3x plus 12. Example. 5x square plus 3x plus 2 is then example. Cubic polynomial. Polynomial with a 3 degree is known as a cubic polynomial. Example is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Example 5x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 1. So let us go ahead with the zeros of the polynomial. Zeros of the polynomial. A polynomial in which a quadratic polynomial in which the value is 0 is known as a polynomial. So let us give an example. X square minus 3x minus 4. So for solving this, there are two methods: hit and trial and direct method. Let us try hit and trial. So first put the value of x as 1. So 1 square minus 3 into 1 minus 4. 1 minus 3 minus 4 minus 2 minus 3 minus 6 is not equal to 0. Let now put p is equals to minus 1. Minus 1 whole square minus 3 minus 1 minus 2. So 1 plus 3 minus 4. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So p of minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1. Now let us do direct method. In direct method, it is given x square minus 3x minus 4. So let us do the splitting middle term. So in the splitting middle term, first multiply first and last digit. So it is 4. Now put their factors 1 and 4, 2 and 2. So subtract or add these two numbers. Then these two numbers. What is the possible? Then we calculate. So 1 minus 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. But we want here minus 3. So 1 minus 4 is equals to 3x minus 3x. So x square plus x minus 4x plus 4 is equals to x. Put x aside because x is common. X plus 1 minus 4 common. X plus 1. So x plus 1, x minus 4. X is equals to minus 1 and x is equals to plus 4. So these two are the factors. We can also say that minus 1 is alpha and plus 4 is beta. So our next topic is graphical representation of the polynomials. So this is the graph. Can you say zeros of x? Yes, we can say by counting the points that the number of points that this graph match with the x-axis or y-axis. If it is given x, then we have to find of x-axis. It is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 zeros are possible and zeros of y is only 1. So 1 zeros is possible. Now let us go ahead with sum and products of zeros. Sum of zeros is equals to alpha plus beta is equals to minus b upon a, and product of zeros is equals to alpha beta is equals to c by a. Zeros of it is sum or product of quadratic polynomial. If it is given quadratic polynomial, we will solve by this method, and if it is given cubic polynomial, we have to solve by this. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to minus b upon a. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equals to c by a. अल्फा इंटू बीटा इंटू गामा इज इक्वल टू माइनस ई अपॉन ए. So guys, this is cubic polynomial, the sum of zeros, product of two zeros and product of three zeros. So let us go ahead by at division algorithm. This is our last topic. Division algorithm. First, 2x square. In division algorithm, we have to do only divide the two equation given from bigger to smaller. So 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is the divider, and the divisor is and the quotient is x plus 2. So divide it. For dividing, there is one method. First take the first number of bigger equation and first number of smaller equation. Divide it. 2x square by x, so equals to 2x. So put 2x and multiply it. X plus 2 into 2x is equals to minus 2x square. X plus 2 into 2x is equals to 2x square plus 4x. Now on minusing this, we will get minus x plus 1. So x divided by minus x is equals to minus 1. So put minus 1 and divide it. X plus 2 into minus 1 is equals to minus x minus 2. This will be a positive sign, this will be positive sign. So x got, and 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. So 3 is our remainder. 2x minus 1 is our divisor. So this is all for today. Now we will solve the sum that I had given some days before. One card is drawn from the well shuffled deck of a 52 cards. Find the probability of getting first king of red color, face card, red face card, jack of heart, spade, queen of diamond. So let us start. किंग ऑफ रेड कलर. लाल कलर के किंग कितने होते हैं टोटल? तो दो किंग होते हैं, एक लाल और एक चट्टाई जो हम कहते हैं. तो 2.52 इज इक्वल टू 1/26. दूसरा है अब फेस कार्ड, मतलब टोटल फेस कार्ड. तो फेस कार्ड कितने होते हैं? द जैक, द क्वीन एंड द किंग. सो चारों के चार ये सभी अलग अलग कलर के आते हैं, जैसे कि काली, फल्लाई, लाल और चट्टाई. तो ये 4 और इंटू 3 मतलब 12. 12/52 इज इक्वल टू 3/13. देन थर्ड नंबर अ रेड फेस कार्ड, लाल कलर की ओनली फेस कार्ड. तो ये 3 और ये दूसरे एक 3 हो गए, मतलब दिल के और चट्टाई के. तो 6/52 इज इक्वल टू 3/26. नाउ जैक ऑफ अ हार्ट, वो एक लाल का जैक एक ही होगा, इसलिए 1/52. अ स्पेड, स्पेड का मतलब है फल्लाई. फल्लाई के टोटल कितने का पत्ते होते हैं? तो 13 होते हैं. तो 13/52 इज इक्वल टू 1/4. द क्वीन ऑफ अ डायमंड, डायमंड की क्वीन वो कितनी होती है? मतलब चट्टाई की रानी, वो सिर्फ एक ही होती है, इसलिए 1/52. सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे. अगर आपको इस चैप्टर में कुछ भी डाउट हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट कीजिए.